Hello guys, so we headed to Kit Mikai and we've just boarded a minivan to Kit Mikai. It's along Kisumu Bondo Road, so I'll be showing you the place. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy the video as much as I enjoy creating it. I hope you're going to watch wherever you are. So see you guys in the next, I think, 1 hour. Yeah. We're already in. We start with paying. So let's see. Hi. Hi. Thank you. I hope filming is okay. It's allowed. Okay. I wanted to do some YouTube videos. Yes. Spend on? Like? I don't understand. For just normal videos. Like on my phone.
Oh, on your phone?
Yes. I don't have a camera, I'm just doing on my phone. Yes. Yeah, because it's somebody who recommended me from the other stone in Kakamega, the crying stone. So yeah, she told us we have to come and visit Kit Mikai too. Yeah. Okay. Entrance fee. Okay, we would like a guide. Yes, because we definitely want to know the history about the Kit Mikai. Yes. It's okay. Okay. It's alright. So 300 for the two of us. Okay. Let him finish with the so that we pay. Okay. So guys, we are at Kit Mikai, and as you can see, it's a very interesting place. The Luos live in this community. The people living in this community surroundings, it's the Luo community. And before heading to the stone, you have to pay 150 shillings, but from the road you pay 50 shillings. But from Kisumu town you pay 250 to Kit Mikai. So hi, mzuri sana, habari yako? Mko vizuri? Okay. It's okay, ni sawa. Haya. Nimeambiwa guys, I'm finally in Kit Mikai. In what's the name of this place? But the region? Seme. In Kisumu County. So we are in Seme, in Kisumu County, and we have our tour guide today. Yeah, so you okay being on video?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
okay.
I'm going to put you this so that when you explain it, they'll understand more. Guys, we have our tour guide for today.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Moses Okelo.
He's Moses Okelo.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's just hear the rich history about the Kit Mikai.
Yes.
So he's going to explain to us.
Yes. So we welcome you. So in Luo, Kit means rock.
Okay.
And Mikai means first wife.
Mikai is first wife.
First wife in Luo.
Okay.
So for a long time, most of us you do polygamous. So the first wife in Luo is calling Mikayi.
Okay.
The second one is Nyachira. Third one is Reru.
Nyachira.
And the third one is Reru.
Relo.
Reru.
Rero.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So when you add more than 3, you will call it Jadoho.
Okay. You can have more than 3.
Yes.
Even 5.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So in this name, Kit Mikai came from our grandfather. When that guy looked the place can stayed.
Okay.
That guy come here and found this rock here, and they go inside the rock, they found the caves. So they love this rock so much.
Okay.
And that guy is calling Geso. I think when you pass away, you see some school. It's written up Geso school.
Yes.
That is the homestay from the holy man.
Okay.
Yes. So when the guy went here with 6 wives. Yes. So after go inside the cave, they love this rock so much, and go down there to put the house. That is mean the place for the Geso. So every morning they came here.
Okay.
So when the friends go to visit his home, the wife tell them, when you need the old man, you can go to that rock, you will get them here. So when the friends came here and talked to Geso, how did you love this rock so much? Can you give us the name? And the Geso told the friends they love this rock like they love the first wife.
Oh.
That is the name came from Kit
Oh,
Mikai.
Kit Mikai. That's where. Oh, the way you loved the first wife,
Yes.
it's the same way they loved this rock.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
That is the name came from.
Awesome.
And when you have seen, we have a shrine.
Okay, yeah, I can
Where-
see that. I can see a candle.
Yes. And inside the cave, yeah, we will see like this one. But they do fasting maybe for 1 day and 2 days. Yes.
Okay.
So for long time, this rock has helped community from many ways, not only the name. When drought season without no rains, the old men can come and see that something like water came from the top from the black line there.
Oh, it looks like
Yes,
it
yes.
resembles the crying stone.
Yes.
Okay.
So when the old men see something is cover the head and they walk away to look the witch doctors. You know, for a long time you don't have a Christian, something like that. So when they go to find the witch doctors tell them, when you need the rain from your place, you can go and make a meeting and you agree the day you want to do a sacrifice, and the sacrifice will come with goats and chickens. When they came here, they kill it and they burn the meat.
Okay.
And they eat it without ugali. And the same day, tomorrow rains will be fall. And tomorrow morning, people can go to garden and make farming.
Okay.
That is where they bring the religion can come. Because when they have seen and after finish the sacrifice, the rains will be fall. They believe God was here. Yes. And another one, when you have seen all the trees around, this is the nature trees. Nobody plant it. But most of them, they use as a medicines. The leaves and roots, they treat people here.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the cave inside. So let's go see the cave. Guys, this is interesting. I told you I'm going to bring you everywhere I'm going. I have to show them around. So the famous Kit Mikai. Actually, I was recommended by our tour guide from the other Kakamega Rock. She told us we have to visit here.